Prostaglandins, we'll talk about histamine. Histamine we've actually introduced before. Remember that histamine as a prostaglandin was a paraffin. Histamine is produced by a cell in the stomach. This particular cell in the stomach produces histamine. I'm going to indicate that with the letter H. It is going to affect a cell that's nearby, and I'm going to put a couple of them in a row here. And I'm going to indicate that this cell over here happens to be called a parietal cell. Remember that prostaglandins affect either themselves, in which case they're organs, or a nearby cell, in which case they are paraffins. Put a prostaglandin in. It doesn't affect itself. It's going to come over and affect this cell. And the parietal cell produces hydrochloric acid.
Wait, can you say that again about it being prostaglandin? What is it?
Prostaglandins are either organs, which affect themselves, or paraffins, which affect nearby cells. The organ that we used before was thromboxane 2, when we talked about the platelets. But here, we're talking about a paraffin. The histamine is a paraffin. And it's going to affect another cell in the stomach. And this particular cell's name is parietal, which you should see when you're doing that test. Parietal cells produce hydrochloric acid. Earlier this semester, when I was giving you this example, I told you that if you have an upset stomach or an acid stomach, you might go and buy Tagamet or Pepsid AC. Look on one of those boxes the next time you're in the drugstore, and you may very well see the term H blocker. What they are blocking is histamine. What they're blocking is histamine. Because the more histamine you have, the more hydrochloric acid you're going to have. Enteroendocrine cells. That particular phrase simply means an endocrine cell that is located in the GI tract. That's all it is. And there's more than 18 of them. For the purposes of this particular exam, whatever you want to call it, I am going to limit it. In fact, I'm not going to include that last one. So you're definitely going to deal with CCK, S, and gastrin. I couldn't remember the last one. That's easiest. With respect to each one of these, as we go through these different organs, you should have an idea of what they do. Gastrin is more or less confined to the stomach, but the other two have effects on the stomach, on the intestines, on the pancreas, on the liver, and or gallbladder. And CCK and S, please make sure that you're comfortable with those. You will see that as we go through it. Right here is just a listing. I'm going to wait until we get to the gland to tell you what they do to that gland.